Welcome. This is your time. A time to reconnect with your true self. To remember that you are worthy and that you are enough, just as you are. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and place your right hand over your heart. Gently close your eyes and take a deep breath in. And slowly exhale. Let go of any tension, any worry. This moment is for you. Take another deep breath in, feeling the air fill your lungs, and release any stress as you breathe out. One more time, inhale deeply, filling your body with calmness, and exhale fully, letting go of anything weighing you down. Allow your breath to settle into a natural, steady rhythm. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more at ease, more present, more open to the truth of who you are. As you continue to breathe deeply, let these words sink into your heart. You may choose to repeat them silently in your mind, or say them softly aloud. I am worthy, just as I am. I am enough, exactly as I am in this moment. I deserve love, respect, and kindness, especially from myself. My value is not determined by my achievements or others' opinions. I am whole and complete, exactly as I am. My existence is meaningful, and I make a difference. I give myself permission to take up space and to be seen. I am worthy of happiness, peace, and success. I choose to believe in myself and my inherent worth. I release the need for external validation. I am enough. I honor my journey and trust that I am exactly where I need to be. My worth is not defined by my past mistakes or struggles. I love and accept myself unconditionally. Every part of me is deserving of compassion and understanding. I am strong, resilient, and worthy of all good things. Let these words settle into your being like gentle waves washing over you, cleansing away any doubt, any insecurity. Now, imagine yourself standing in front of a beautiful mirror. This mirror reflects the truth, not just your appearance, but the depth of your soul. You see yourself clearly, without judgment. You see the kindness in your eyes, the strength in your heart, the love that radiates from within. As you gaze into this mirror, you smile. You recognize the beauty of simply being you. No need to prove, no need to earn. Just being is enough. A warm golden light begins to glow around you. This is the light of self-acceptance, of worthiness. Feel it wrap around you like a comforting embrace, reminding you that you are cherished, valued, and deeply loved. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, allow this feeling of worthiness to settle into every cell of your body. Know that this truth is always within you. At any moment, you can return to this space, to this knowing, to this self-love. When you're ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Slowly bring awareness back to the present. Take one more deep breath in. And as you exhale, softly open your eyes. Carry this feeling with you today and always. You are enough. You have always been enough. Namaste.